Hey, Wes again with BaronGreenTeam.com, BaronHeating.com, and Baron Heating and Air Conditioning here in sunny Washington State. This is high design. This was one of my favorites because the biggest complaint here was air quality, air freshness, energy efficiency. Originally had a ginormous electric furnace in here, and we were trying to create an energy solution that kind of covered everything but wasn't too nutty, you know. In this case, the ductwork in this house they have return in all the rooms, supply vents everywhere. Of course, everything was all metal. At the start of any air quality solution, the main thing is getting those ducts sealed so that we can circulate air in the house, bring fresh air in. So I wanted to show you, in this case we incorporate AeroSeal into it. They started out with the equivalent hole in their ductwork was 36 square inches, and we got that down to 4, which was a 90% reduction. If you're not familiar with AeroSeal, it shows you all the sealing in real time, and I've got a great link on my website at BaronGreenTeam.com to a video that will work real well. So I just put that up there so we can look at it. In this case, we have a good 4-inch media air filter, MERV 16. We have our variable speed basic box electric furnace. This is required in this house as backup to a single head ductless in this case. So what we did is we have the furnace set at 55 degrees 24/7 all through the year. But I have a period in the programming that starts at 6 and ends at 8. And so if they were to come in and it was a little chilly from the ductless wasn't quite keeping up with the house on a really cold morning, they could go in and turn on the furnace up to the temperature they want, and then at 8 o'clock it'll automatically cycle back to its 55-degree setting just to give the ductless a bump. They may never use it, but I needed the variable speed fan to get the air moving. And what we also did is put in a fresh air damper. We have that set to ASHRAE so that it's bringing in fresh air. In this case it was 30 minutes out of the hour all day long to bring the fresh air in. So as we go back here, we also did a heat pump water heater. So that's the air tap water heater. Okay. And then I'll take you inside the house to look at the Daikin 24 RXS. Part of the solution that we were doing is not only the filtration from a whole house standpoint, but also from a zone standpoint. So I really believe in zone air filtration. That's where we incorporate the Daikin flash streamer. And there's, again, more information at BaronGreenTeam.com. But that's a very powerful unit. And so we had one zone out here in the living room. Here's our head here. Okay. And again, I've got return everywhere. It's just perfect setup for this. And then back here in the bedroom. Now again, I keep all the doors shut. Everything's great because I got return circulating everything through this house. And then we have our flash streamer back here in the bedroom. Okay. And so this head is heating the main core of the house. And to treat the bedrooms, I've got the fan running through sealed insulated ductwork to just take care of, getting a little bit to the back, etc. Head out to the outdoor unit.
Oh, this door's open.
There we go. Alright, so you can hear the sound of my voice. There's an excavator over here doing some work. So just make a mention of how quiet they are. Every other video you probably watched, you can tell how quiet they are, but they're so quiet. Okay. And in this case, we were in the house. Oh, that's what I wanted to show you, was the line in here. So a lot of times, this is in the inside of the house, and if you're new to ductless and you're not sure, where you can put it, a lot of times, if we have an inconspicuous space to put things, so in this case, you can see the speedy channel. popping right there, and now that runs down the back of the cabinet to the floor and then out to the unit. But that was way easier than, you know, putting in a pump and going up over the attic and all that stuff. So if you have a closet sometimes it's right there or anything like that, you can get away with having some on the inside. You may not like the rough look of just the exposed line, so we use a speedy channel to make it a little more aesthetic. Okay, so that is a whole house walkthrough of a Daikin 24L series with a Coleman variable speed electric furnace, filtration, integrated fresh air, and the Daikin flash streamer. Thanks for watching.